Salam, chatorin. Today we're going to focus on the Persian nationality adjective construction. As you might remember from our previous lessons, the nationality adjective construction is very consistent in Persian. This construction is part of a much bigger construction that derives adjectives from nouns by adding e to them. So in order to talk about where we're from, usually all we need to do is add e to the name of the continent, country, city, or region we come from. So for the nationality adjective Iranian, we add e to the name of the country Iran and we get Irani. Germany in Persian is Alman. So for German, we have Almani. The country China is Chin in Persian. So for Chinese, we have Chini. England is Engelis. So for English or British, we have Engelisi. Egypt is Mesr in Persian. So for Egyptian, we have Mesri. Thailand is Thailand. So for Thai, we have Thailandi. India is Hind. So Indian in Persian is Hindi. For Canada, we have Canada. So Canadian would be Kanadai. Denmark is Danmark. So for Danish, we have Danmarki. Nepal in Persian is Nepal. So Nepalese is Nepali. Greece is Yunan. So Greek is Yunani. Tunisia is Tunis. So Tunisian is Tunisi. Spain is España. So for Spanish, we have Españai. Italy is Italia. So for Italian, we have Italiai. Mexico is Mexic. So for Mexican, we have Mexiki. And Japan in Persian is Japon. So for Japanese, we have Japoni. This construction also works for cities. So for a person from Tehran, we have Tehrani. And for a New Yorker, we have New Yorkie. Dublin in Persian is Dublin. So for Dubliner, we have Dublini. Paris is Paris. So Parisian is Parisi. And for a person from Abadan, we have Abadani. Rome in Persian is Rome. So for Roman, we have Romi. And for Berliner, we have Berlini. Now the continents. Africa is Afrika. So for African, we have Afrikai. America is Amerika. So American would be Amerikai. Asia is Asia. So Asian would be Asiyai. For Australia, we have Australia or Australia. So Australian would be Australiai or Australiai. For Oceania, we have Oceanusiae. So for Oceanic, we have Oceanusiei. Although this one is not that common. And for Europe, we have Europa. So European would be Orupai. And now the directions. North in Persian is Shomal. So northern or northerner would be Shomali. For south, we have Jonub. So southern or southerner would be Jonubi. East is Sharq in Persian. So eastern or easterner would be Sharqi. And west is Gharb. So western or westerner would be Gharbi. So as you can see, we're covering a rather wide range of suffixes with the Persian e here, from n and en as in German, Iranian, and European, to is as in Nepalese, Chinese, and Japanese, to ish as in Danish and British, to and ern as in New Yorker, Berliner, and Western or Westerner. In fact, this nationality and origin construction is so consistent that even the associated question word is made according to it. In order to ask people where they're from or where something is from, we add e to the question word koja, where, which gives us kojai, where from, as you might remember from our lessons on Persian question words. Perfect. Now you know how to use your Persian nationality adjective construction to talk about exactly where you're from. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.